So guys, this is our product, the Adcom 4-in-1 lens, and I've used it as the seal is open. I've used it for quite a while now, and I kind of like it, man. It's like a adventure camera. Like whenever you go somewhere, you have to click some photos. It's for the middle class family, so whenever you have to click the photos, you need a wide angle, you need a macro lens, you need a telescope lens, or a fisheye lens for vlogging and all. You can all find it in one piece. So guys, let's just open it and show you what are the things that we get inside. So guys, these are the things that you get inside it. The main component is over here, the Adcom 4-in-1 lens. For now, let's just keep it aside. Let's discuss what are all these paperworks and all. You get a thank you coupon from Adcom that will get you 10% extra discount from ordering from their site. And another one you get is a warranty card. A warranty card you just register on this website and just open this link and then write your product ID and all that thing, and it's registered. And you get a user manual with it. User manual written in various languages. Like now it's English. Another one, I don't know what other languages are this. It's written in so many languages. So these are the user manual. Okay, how to use it, how to place it. Okay, and you get a carry bag. It's a little dirty, sorry about it, and a wiping cloth. So guys, these are the things. In this you can see the Adcom is written over here. So guys, let's just move into a new component. Not the new component, the main component of it. So this is the main component, the Adcom 4-in-1 lens. I will show you in like live demonstration, and also show you some of the pictures that I clicked with this lenses. And just open it up. You get, these are the 4 lenses. You can see the 4 lenses. Okay, and you just have to mount it like this. If like this is your mobile case, you just have to mount it like this in front of your camera, and then it will change your lenses. I will show you also. Okay, so let's get into the showing thing. I will show you the live demonstration of it, like how you can use it. And so guys, this is the fisheye lens that I'm using right now, and you can see how it looks, the curve view of it, and it's good for vlogging and all. Show you the next one is a telescopic lens. I will show you. This is a telescopic lens. Actually, I can't fit this lenses in my back camera, so I just put it in my front camera. So this is the telescopic lens. You can see it's like 2x zoom in it, so as you can see over here. And the next lens that we're going to show you is the macro lens. Actually, you can't actually see anything in it unless I bring a light. Let's see. You can see how close it's like 1 centimeter, around 1 to 2 centimeter. How much detail it shows. See, this is the power of the 4-in-1 macro lens. And the another one that we have is the wide angle lens. That is, I think, best suited for me actually, and for everyone that you're taking a wide, like you're taking a selfie and you're having a low budget phone. Just buy it. Only cost around 1200 to 1500, so it's not too much, and its quality is superb. So you can take the wide angle. You see, it's total wide. Okay, the clothes are hanging over there. Let's leave it around it. Okay, so this, okay, now this is the wide angle lens. I showed you all the 4 lenses in it, and it's really good, as you can see over here. So guys, I will put all the description link and everything below in the description, all the link and all the other things, so you can buy it from there if you want to buy them, or you can go to their site and buy it from them. And also guys, about the Arduino thing is also going fine, man. It is a superb new news for you guys. That's I recently brought, okay, I'm not putting in my tripod or anything, so it's a little bit shaky. I brought some sensors. So these are all these sensors, man. We are going to work with these many sensors. So happy guys, stay happy. It will like be awesome. All the videos, like 38 sensors over here, in all different sensors. You guys will love it. I will make some cool projects with everyone. Guys, if you guys want to see the tech fest or technical fest kind of videos also, I can do a vlogging of that also, because I go to some events. And if you guys want to do that, just write it down in the comment section. Okay, we want to see it, and I will upload these things also. So that's all, finish it all today. And thank you Adcom for really supporting me. Like, I'm new YouTuber, I'm like not grown up, and Adcom has really supported me well. And yeah, I wear glasses. I haven't wear glasses in my previous videos, so it's kind of new thing. So and that's all for today's videos and today video, and I will shortly upload a video. And sorry guys, I'm really sorry I couldn't upload any video for like more than a month. And and from now on I will upload the video like every week. I can't say daily because man, I go at college and all that stuff also. So guys, stay tuned and thanks for watching.